Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 11th of August 2025 and I'll be going over my weekly prediction for Tesla. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts. And then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review last week's prediction and go over this one in more detail. So, before getting into the video, however, it's important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational. Therefore, you should conduct your own analysis before making any trades or decisions. Please do not just use this video. It is an educational. The purpose of this is to be educational. So, getting into the monthly charts here, we see Tesla's had sort of a rocky road. We had this huge run up and then a crash down, pretty much negating all of the gains from that single-handedly. Now, however, we find ourselves in this sort of symmetrical triangle price action pattern. You see, I've kind of drawn that out for you. Now we see as we approach this cradle here, we see that price is starting to break out upwards. And again, although the month hasn't closed, we'll see the weekly charts give a pretty descriptive, and the daily charts as well, give a descriptive view of what's happening. We see the MACD histogram is declining, which means this is sort of coming to a close, although not crossed over. Which is why, if this month is a strong bullish month, for example, this could set the scene for the next few candles. Weekly charts here, again, I've sort of drawn that. You can see this in more detail. We had that sort of sharp rally in the middle, which was in the form of a channel. You see, as we've broken out, we're now approaching shorter and shorter price movements, and that's why we have this symmetrical triangle type of price action. We see that the MACD is positive throughout this little sideways action here, and the RSI is sloping upwards, which is actually a positive divergence. So yeah, that's a very strong indication that the market is gearing towards a bullish move. And also we see that this last candle here, weekly candle, actually has broken out of this zone here and closed above it. So that's a very good signal. And again, this will be confirmed very quickly because we do expect a bullish movement from these indicators and the price action itself. And we see even more in detail the daily charts. It actually closed over, and then another time as well. We see, however, this upper shadow is a little concerning, which is why we do want some more confirmation, and we do need it to close above. But yeah, just recently as well, MACD turned positive. I know that's hard to see, but we can see that the last histogram is green, and the RSI is shooting up as well. So yeah, a lot of positive indication from the charts. So if I move over to this Excel sheet here, we see this week we will buy Tesla if it crosses 338 and sell if it falls below 303.69. With a target of 2% and a trailing stop loss of 1%. If neither the target or stop loss is hit, then we will close on Friday. The weekly trend in this case is, well, I wouldn't say bearish. The monthly trend actually right now is bullish, so that's actually inaccurate. This is just a copy paste from before. And the weekly trend, I would actually classify it as neutral right now. So yeah, that's for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next one.